This week in the Business Review, at least one human resource firm is moving to simplify the job hunting process. TVJ's Andrew Laidley explores how the company is using technology to remove the hassle of recruiting staff.
Imagine being able to work and earn top dollar whenever you are available. On this edition of the Business Review, we're talking about a revolutionary technology changing Jamaica's labor market.
Sabu is an online platform. We are actually an HR company. So the online platform allows companies to go online whenever they have a problem in staffing. They can actually broadcast on the platform. Over 100 persons are notified within the location to which the company is. And then they respond by saying yes or no, they're available. The company then has adequate information on them. The team members are verified, or the potential persons are verified, and they can select who they want.
CEO of Choice Business Solutions, Janet Smythe. She says Sabu accepts application from everyone regardless of their skills, experience and qualifications. The only condition, they must be at least 18 years old. It means that retirees, students and even those who are already employed but would like to earn extra money on the side are eligible.
The platform takes everybody, because even if you are employed, it will ask the question, are you employed or not? Because what you do is actually tell the platform exactly when you're available. So if you do have a 9-to-5 job and you really would like to earn additional money, you can go on, you tell the platform when you're available. So when customers actually publish that they need someone, it will come to you if you are available and you can respond and you can earn extra money then. Because remember, it's not full-time employment, it's actually substitution whenever persons are required within different companies.
Ms. Smythe says the idea was conceived out of a recurring trend which showed that companies are often left vulnerable when an employee decides to leave without notice. She says Sabu gives a sense of peace to companies knowing that they can get qualified persons quickly.
It's relatively new to the world. We as an HR company are called constantly when persons do not turn up. So we had to find some kind of platform or some kind of tool that would facilitate companies being able to continue their business.
The business is still in its infancy, mostly focused on employing support staff to offset any fallout. But General Manager of Choice Business, Calvin Malcolm, says Sabu expects to provide opportunities for high-level professionals in the future.
This for Sabu is just the beginning. We actually have a lot more coming, and that's one of them. There will be many different professional fields that we're tackling. We should start rolling out November, December. Depends on how fast Channel wants to work. Channel is my program, by the way. No pressure, no pressure. But the ideas are there, and the processes are there. We just need to roll it out. But that's definitely something that we're tackling.
In terms of payment,
well, we have done our best to ensure that we invoice on time. We take payments up front. If there is a company that can't pay up front, we do have an accounting staff that runs behind them every single day, which is better than what a self-employed person could do, because it would be that person running behind them every single day. So we do have steps and procedures in place to ensure that the sub gets paid when they need their payment.
in order to land a job on the Sabu platform, each applicant goes through an evaluation process to determine if they qualify for any new opening. The evaluation process includes a background check and a verification of qualifications. The platform also uses a rating system which will determine how well the employee performed while on the job. The rating system will also be used to decide whether that employee is considered for future opportunities. Sabu offers both part-time and full-time employment opportunities. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.